Hey there, I'm Dr. Amber Belt, co-owner of Sage Sirona, and I'm making this video today because I wanted to highlight one of the products that's in our home and office kit that I have found particularly useful lately. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out here. The product I'm talking about is tea relief, and this falls under the pain and trauma category in our ingredients list here, and that's what I've been using it for lately. So there were two incidents lately that really kind of made me realize the value of having this product in the kit. The first was just like yesterday, or one of them was yesterday. Somehow over the weekend, I tweaked my knee. I don't really know what I did, but sometimes when you're in your mid-40s and you're active, you don't get to know how you tweaked a thing. You just know that you hurt. So last night, I was in the house and it was pretty painful. You know, I have a pretty high pain tolerance and it hurt to walk. And so I grabbed my little thing of tea relief and I rubbed it all over my knee. And it was really incredible because I got up and walked across the kitchen to put it back in its kit, and I had zero knee pain at all. So for my knee, I'm gonna keep reapplying this until I don't have pain anymore, because I know my knee will get better. I know it's nothing serious, but at least I have a tool in my first aid kit to really help me with that. Okay, the second thing was it was a couple months ago, and what happened in that case was our two dogs, our perfect little puppies, you know, they got into a scuffle, and of course I intervened and I got pinched by one of their mouths. I don't know who did it because it was a heated moment. Anyway, I got pinched, and the pinch from their mouth, it hurt. It kind of hurt way more than it had any right to hurt. If you've ever had an injury like that, where you look at it and you're like, that shouldn't hurt that much, but it really does. So in that case, I went ahead and grabbed the tea relief out of my kit because it is really good for bruises too, and pinches. And I put it on where I was pinched, and the pain instantly decreased. It didn't totally go away, but it decreased by probably 80%, which was pretty awesome. So anyways, I wanted to point that out for you today. If you're considering one of our home and office kits, just know that tea relief is in there, and I think it's a great addition. Bye.